Hello everyone, myself Angad Hanumantanikam. I am from BID. I have completed my engineering from JH Rajaswani College of Engineering and Management, Wabuli, Pune. Mm, so today's our discussion topic is Java Development Kit and Java Runtime Environment and also Java Virtual Machine. Uh, these three concepts are mainly used in the Java programming while we uh, are learning the programming languages. So these three kits are very important in the Java development and Java programming language. So first is that Java development kit. Java development kit consists of a trees and implementation, and it is the software tools which contains various files which are used while executing the program and uh, running those program on the computers and executes the desired output. So it provides various tools which used for the programming purpose, or rather than the programming, for checking purpose. Various files are there, various specifiers, various interpreters, various compilers are there to compile the program. So it is the set of the software tools and the files which is used for the development of various web applications, as well as the computer applications, also standalone applications at web development and application development purpose. So it is totally on the softwares and which is used for the development of various applications. So it is physically exists. It consists of compiler, interpreter, file generator, also as uh, it consists of Java runtime environment as well as JVM. It is the JVM and Java runtime environment are the very small parts of the Java development kit. So it is all about the Java development kit. Next is that Java runtime environment. Runtime environment. It consists of various software tools which are used in the development, and also it consists of various libraries, various small files which provides the runtime for the JVM, Java Virtual Machine. It provides the support with the libraries, and JVM will work on it. So it is physically exist. So this is called as the Java runtime environment. And our last third part is that Java Virtual Machine. Java Virtual Machine, it is the abstract machine. Also, JVM, Java programming language, is platform independent language due to of the JVM. JVM is platform independent. It is not physically exists. Platform independent means that Java JVM is when JVM executes any code into the Java file code into the bytecode. The generated code will be used anywhere on the various platforms like Linux or Windows or Mac. So that's why it is platform independent. JVM is not physically exists. It is the JVM is the specification, also that implementation, and the provides Java runtime environment. It is a specification. It means that the Java machine is the Java virtual machine is specified. Actually, JVM is the stands for Java virtual machine. It is the virtual process which is understandable to the computers only. It performs some main operations, such as the it loads the code and executes the code, verifies the code. Firstly, it loads the code in the memory, and after that verifies the code. After verification of the code, it executes the code with the help of Java runtime environment, and provide the environment to develop the softwares. So it is all about the JVM implementation. Means Java machine, Java virtual machine is implemented. And last one is that the runtime environment. Runtime In the runtime environment, Java virtual machine is specified, it loads the code, executes the code, and the desired output is given for us. So this is all about the Java development kit, Java virtual machine, and Java runtime environment. Thank you so much.